Good day, everyone. So I had someone ask a question last week. I think the question was how I am able to determine the weight of the load that I'm lifting with the crane. So the LMI system, load moment indicator, helps me determine the weight of the load. It shows a list of parameters as pertaining to the lift. So I'll be doing a brief walkthrough of the LMI system for this particular crane, trying to explain what each parameter stand for. So this is my LMI system. This is used to configure the counterweight and the telescoping sections. I'll explain telescoping sections. You see this frame here, this frame that runs through to the front, it's called the boom. And this boom has different sections folded into it. 5 sections, we call them telescoping sections. We have it here. This is first telescoping section, second telescoping section, third telescope section, fourth telescope section, and fifth telescope section. So all the telescopes are folded in now. That's why I have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 here. So I can decide to bring this out in different configuration. Maybe bring this full, bring this 3 halfway. There are several ways I can configure the screen, but these are the different configurations. And right now the boom is folded. All telescopes are folded in. That's why we have 0 readings all through. So yeah, coming to my load, this parameters here is what reads my actual load. This guy here, now my boom is resting already. I'm not lifting anything. That's why I have a negative sign here. So this guy here shows the weight of the actual load that I'm lifting. This one here, you see max, maximum. So this guy here shows my maximum, the maximum weight load I can lift as at this configuration. The crane is rested now, so this reading is not accurate. When I raise this boom, it's going to show a more accurate reading. This shows my actual load. This shows my maximum load. Okay. Now this here, the center of the crane turntable here to the center of the cargo, the center of gravity of the cargo. You can see the hook block is the center of the cargo. So the distance between here and here is my load radius. I have 7.4 meters. Also, my boom angle, you can see this angle here is at 0.6 degrees because this boom is resting. So when I raise the boom up now, the angle increases. So while I'm operating, I use this to check my boom angle. Okay, this here 4 is my number of falls of wire. I have 4 falls of wire. I'll try to explain that fast. Okay, my LMI system shows that I have 4 falls of wire, and this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The capacity for 1 fall of wire is about 6 ton. So since I have 4 here, that's 6 times 4, that's 24 ton. There's many things that add to the capacity of the crane. The fall of wire is one of them. So 6 times 4, that is 24. I'll come again. Capacity for 1 is 6, and we have 4. 6 times 4 is 24. It means that I can lift anything below 24 ton. If I get to the site and then what I'm supposed to lift is more than 24, I cannot lift that with this configuration. I have to increase this falls of wire to either 6 or 7. If I'm using 6 falls of wire, since the capacity for 1 is 6 ton, 6 times 6 gives me 36 ton. So if I'm changing the falls of wire to 6, I have to also make the change inside the LMI system 6 so that the change can be recorded inside there. So I have 4 falls of wire. This is what explains it. 1, 2, then 3, 4.